Let us solve one problem from the magnetostatics of TIFR 2025 question paper. So the problem states that consider a stationary electron in an uniform time-independent magnetic field of strength V0 by 4 oriented in the z direction. The Hamiltonian of the system is expressed as H equal to minus E by M S into B, where S is the spin orbit of half minus of operator for electron. The initial electron spin is oriented in the x cap direction. The spin crosses the frequency of the electron is the spin precision frequency of the electron. You need to find the spin precision frequency of the electron, right? So the Hamiltonian we have given the Hamiltonian H equal to E by M into S into B, right? H we have given S equal to B, or B we can write that y cap into V0 by 4, right? Or the spin process and frequency or Larmor frequency is the spin precision and frequency, or better to say Larmor frequency is W is equal to E by M into V0 by 4. Thus we have E V0 4M. So the option A of our given problem is the correct one. Hope this problem as well as the statement, the solution is clear. So thank you.